Are you good to go?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome today to our video on platforms. Today, we're speaking to Idan, CEO and founder of fundrr, on some of the key ingredients that underpin his lending platform. Platforms on the one side have lenders and on the other side have got investors, and the platforms brings the two together. Idan, thanks a lot for joining us. Can you speak us through some of the key characteristics of your lending platform?
Thanks for having me on your show, Dino. Yeah, sure. So currently in South Africa, there's an 86 billion rand funding gap for SMEs having the inability to access finance through the formal financial banking institution. This funding gap gives rise to quite a few fintechs that are trying to fill this gap. We are one of them. So at fundrr, we provide working capital to small businesses ranging from 20,000 to 500 in size, 3 to 12 months in term. We've created a complete online automatic onboarding where clients can go even from the palm of their hands with their phone. They can fill in an application form that takes less than 7 minutes, upload documents, everything runs automatic on the back end. And within 24 hours, we are able to provide them with an answer.
Well done. This is really, really interesting. So fundrr fills a critical lending gap for SMEs. And we hear about these key technologies like AI, machine learning, big data, artificial intelligence. Could you speak us through some of them that underpin fundrr?
So we've created our own proprietary fundrr score, which is our automatic credit model. We currently take into account more than 100 different data points from 14 different data sources that we plug into the model to give us a score out of 100. That score determines whether the business gets accepted for finance and which pricing bracket the business falls into. As time goes by, we aggregate more and more data and we try to plug in more and more points. We're on the third variation of our credit model since inception, and we try to change and alter the credit model as much as possible. The more information, the more data we get, the more understanding the model gets, the more easier it is to predict business lending. So, one of the disadvantages that we currently have is that we're a small startup and we haven't been around for long, so we don't have access into that much data. But as time goes by, we aggregate it, and hopefully in the soon future, machine learning can help us make much better and quicker decisions.
Thanks, Idan. That was really, really interesting. So what does the future hold for fundrr? Where do you see yourself in the future growing?
So we've had from day one this internal goal of funding more than R1 billion within the next 5 years. We always want to expand into different markets. That's definitely on the horizon. We believe that if you get the skeleton right, you can implement this piece of technology into a lot of different markets. Like I said in the past, this funding gap is not a South African problem, it's a worldwide problem. Every country, as a small business owner, you experience the same pain points. So it's a universal problem, and if you're able to create a model and a piece of technology that is universal literate, then you can copy and paste this into other economies.
Thanks, Idan, for providing an interesting summary of your lending platform in the country. It's evident that platforms are rapidly growing and importance locally. It's great to see fintechs are taking opportunities banks are leaving on the table. Thanks for joining us on this platform's video today, and we look forward to engaging with you on the topic in the future.
Thanks, Dino.
Thanks, Idan.